Hi there. It's the 3rd of March. No, the 3rd of May, of course. And today we're going to do something completely different. The end result is not really code, but it will use code on the way, I guess. I will use Claude, Opus 4.7, and we are going to do 3D modeling. So I want an adapter from uh, well, email EU G 3/4 inch uh, attachment to uh, mail US GHT. Is it GHT? I don't recall. Maybe I can check because I have worked with this earlier. It doesn't say here, no. Well, is it? Yeah, I think so. GH is garden hose. Yeah, GHT 3 4 outlet. Uh, I will attach it to a mail EUG outlet. Yeah, make it as an STL file. I want the top part to be in a 44 mm X range. Is that the word? And a 3 mm high conical cylinder acting as a color before starting the externally threaded part. I will use PETG filament and a 0.4 mm nozzle on a G-Tech i3 printer using Cuba as a slicer. Make me a Cuba profile as well. Do all files. No. Take care to not overwrite existing files here. I have done some 3D models before. Yeah, this is quite different from writing code. Here instead I want to state what I will want as the end result. But I believe, because I have seen it done before, that Claude will actually write code to create this. It will use Python and use geometry computations and such in order to actually generate the STL file. Yeah, so let's see how it fares. Mm, mm. I'm not sure, maybe I was muted before. Did I tell you what I asked it for after it made this adapter? Maybe you have seen, but I asked it to make a 34 millimeter 3D figure, a pelican bicycling, since that is a common 2D test for AI models. So I thought it would be appropriate for a 3D modeling exam. And it's been working for almost 5 minutes now with that. Oh, that's a fun one. Okay, it's done. Will we check it out? Of course we will. Let's see. File, import, STL, Pelican. Wow. Wow. This is something else. It's really good. Huh, cool. Yeah, that was all for today. Hmm, I think that was pretty amazing.